Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a thumbnail not showing on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a file explorer, go to your pictures. Now you can see that thumbnail is not shown. So click on these three dots, go to your options, click on view and uncheck the always show icon never thumbnail. So uncheck it, click on apply. Now you can see that a thumbnail is shown. After that, go to your search box and in the search box type advanced system settings. Open a view advanced system settings. Now click on settings and make sure that show thumbnail instead of icon is must be checked. Now you can see that when I uncheck it, click on apply. Now you can see that. So check it as show thumbnail instead of icons. Click on apply. Click on OK and OK. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a disk clean. Open a disk clean. Click on OK button. Select a right and go and check a thumbnail. Okay guys, check a thumbnail. Click on OK button and click on delete files. Now, after doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box, type a CMD, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, copy these first command. It's available into the video description and press enter. Copy the second command and paste it and press enter. After doing this step, copy the third command and paste it and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. If I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a last method. In the right click, go to your task manager, scroll down and find out the Windows Explorer. Click on restart, click on close. After that, restart your computer and I am sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.